Hindi medium. X group, Y group. 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class.
Good morning all of you. My name is Raj. I am from Gurugram, Haryana. My thought is, education is the movement from darkness to light. I repeat my thought, education is the movement from darkness to light.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I am Pranav and today I got a chance to deliver a speech on time management. I want you all to answer a question. What is the most expensive thing for us? It's time, because it can't be expended. You have only 24 hours in a day and also a limited lifetime. But the good thing is that we can manage our time in a way that will achieve more in less time. The term time management refers to the division of your time according to your daily activities, according to your priorities, excluding non-priorities, goal setting, creating a suitable environment, and developing the right habits. Moreover, time management is one of the key factors to success any field of work. It is important for your personal life and for your career. Time management teaches you patience and how to tackle difficult tasks in a given space of time. It teaches you how to make the most of your valuable time and increases your productivity. A person who is an expert at managing time effectively is always a step ahead of every other person in the room. They can spread up how they work and can enjoy more leisure activities. And at last, I want to wish you all the best wishes for the day. Thanks a lot.
India is my country. And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Prosperity, alongnize my happiness. Put your hands down.
Hand up! भारत माता की राजस्थान एकेडमी की